Longi always has lots of innovations. Let's come and take a look. This thing got a design prize even before it came out. It's coming shipping next month. And look, it's completely black. Completely black. No wires in the cell. And let's take a look how that is. The wires are here. They're in the back. So it means that there's more solar in the front. This is 2% more efficiency of a panel. And it's default technology at Longi. This panel is 660 watt, comes Q4, and it gets to 24.43 efficiency. I'm really waiting for the 25%. We're going to be there very soon. So that's really innovative. Then I thought this was really wonderful. Everybody in the whole world suffers from dust. And that basically can give you not 1%, 2%, 3% less energy, but 10%. And if you see here, this is a normal panel. Every dust stays here. But they've now made a new panel, and it's completely flat. So it means if you now throw in some stuff, it immediately gets thrown out, and it basically goes nicely at the bottom of the panel. This new wafer has all kinds of protection on top, and that means that if you have 30 years of solar, it goes down with about 11%. This one takes that into half, so it has really very little degradation over time. But of course, Longi started as a wafer manufacturer. The new one is larger, way less degradation, also a very good temperature coefficient. So this is the base technology which is now shipping, which all the manufacturers will profit from. And lately, they started a couple of years ago, 2 years ago, with hydrogen, which is, of course, very important to go from winter to summer and to stabilize the grid. And they have now 30% market share in China, electrolyzers. I don't think they ship it in Europe, but this is also interesting that they do this. And I'm really excited about this thing. To manufacture these panels, can you make the factories more smart? Yes, they have a new Lightning factory, 20% less energy. But look at this, 84% shortened time of delivery, so 4 times as fast the panels come out of the factory. That's really huge. 43% less loss of material, and 30 techniques which are implemented, a lot of smart AI technology. So the factories can also become a lot better. Okay, this was the innovation at Longi. See you next time.